Hi guys, welcome to Gypsy's World. Today I'm going to be making butter chicken. It is my first time ever making this, so fingers crossed on this one. So the first thing you need is your cut up chicken. You can use whatever you like. I've seen people use thigh, I've seen people use the breast, whatever you like. I went ahead and just cubed up chicken breast. Seasoned it overnight. I marinated that overnight, cut some onions and some garlic, and I am gonna cheat today. Don't mind if I do. Game changer in the kitchen. Done. Ah, no, literally done. I love garlic, so I don't know. I just did one onion like you saw, and probably do like 4 garlics. My favorite part. All right, now let's head over to the stove. Cook our chicken, so we're gonna put some butter in the pan. Okay, now that the butter has melted, go ahead and add your chicken in. Okay, you guys, once it's about 80% cooked, you wanna go ahead and take it off. Go ahead and melt a little more butter and dump your onion in there. Okay, now cook your onion down a little. Add the garlic. Now I'm gonna add a little more ginger powder to this. Now I'm adding in some tomato paste, so about a spoonful. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your crushed tomato. Okay, then you're gonna add a handful of cashews. Then we are gonna add a cup of some heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and add your sauce back. Add your chicken back. Okay, you guys, we did it. Oh, that was a lot of work. I think I was been in the kitchen for over 2 hours, maybe 2.5. So that was a lot of work, but we did it. Now we're gonna try it together and see what we think. Also, you guys, I did not show my rice, but if you guys are interested in learning how to make the best rice ever, like the best, let me know. I will do a video just for you, okay? A little bit of rice. And then our butter chicken. So good. I've never cooked Indian food. Flavor is bomb. And let's grab a piece of this naan bread. Ooh. Well, we made it from scratch, you and I. You guys, before we try this and decide what we think of this bomb-ass dish we did together, please make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe. Please, please, please make sure you're liking, sharing, and subscribing. It means so much to me, and it helps me keep posting these amazing videos for you guys, okay? So let's go in and try. I'm just putting it all in the bread. Oh, losing the rice. Wow. Cheers. This is so good. If you guys try this, let me know what you think. Oh my God, I give this an 11 out of 10.